What causes transmission service light to come on in your Volvo S80? There are a variety of reasons why transmission service light can appear on the dash of your Volvo S80. We will discuss those problems in detail, but first let me help you to understand the meaning of this light. What does transmission service light mean? It simply means your Volvo S80 needs transmission service. Listed below are a few reasons that can trigger this warning light in your Volvo. What causes transmission service light to come on? Low transmission fluid. The transmission fluid essentially lubricates moving gears. It also maintains optimal hydraulic pressure within the system. Running low on this fluid can interfere in your Volvo S80's transmission operation. As that happens, the transmission service light will come on to warn you. Overheating. Listed below are a few reasons why the transmission of your Volvo can overheat. Hot weather, driving in stop-and-go traffic, towing heavy load, low fluid. When your Volvo S80's onboard computer finds out about overheating, it would turn on the transmission service light immediately. Faulty torque converter. The torque converter essentially connects the engine to the load. Technical flaws in such a vital part can interfere in your Volvo S80's transmission operation. When the onboard computer finds out about this problem, it would turn on the transmission service light. Flawed sensors and controller. The transmission control unit or TCU regulates every aspect of the transmission operation. To do so, it relies on an array of sensors. Technical flaws in the TCU or concerned sensors can trigger transmission service light on the dash of your Volvo S80. Sum up. The illumination of transmission service light in your Volvo S80 signals serious transmission trouble. You have to be quick to figure out the reason behind it.